Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is a road that was recently renovated. It's the Macfield Main Road, but some people refer to it as the Montego Bay Highway because it takes you from Ferris in Westmoreland to Montego Bay. And as you can see, it's a very nice road. It was recently renovated. Now, this road drastically cuts down the travel time from Westmoreland, or the Ferris area to be specific, to Montego Bay, and Montego Bay is the second city in Jamaica, and it's the main city in the western part of Jamaica. The only other city, okay, Montego Bay is we're talking about the western part of Jamaica now, so we're talking about Trelawney, Hanover, Montego Bay, St. James, Westmoreland, and St. Elizabeth. So Montego Bay is the largest city it's the second largest city in Jamaica, and it's the largest city in the western part of Jamaica. Now, the second largest city in the western part of Jamaica is Savlamar, which is in Westmoreland. So if you want to get from Savlamar to Montego Bay, this is the road you would take. You want to get from Westmoreland, Santa Cruz, well, St. Elizabeth has another road, but it's not as nice as this road. So this is a major road, and a lot of people refer to this road as the Montego Bay Highway. But the official name is the Macfield Main Road. So now, I'm just going to tell you a story. I don't know how accurate it is, but Westmoreland was always a PNP parish. I think Westmoreland has, whatever seats Westmoreland has towards the parliament, I think it's 3, they were always PNP seats. Now, the JLP came to power, and the JLP never won one seat in Westmoreland. Not this election, the election before. Now, the JLP built this road. This is what people say. Now, people, I know we don't talk politics on this channel, but I'm just telling you the story. The JLP built this road, and the people loved it so much that in the last general election, the JLP won every seat in Westmoreland. Every seat. The people in Westmoreland have never had a road like this in Westmoreland. Yes, you have the Norman Manley Boulevard, but that is that runs through Negril, which is like a tourist area. If you look on the left, if you look on the right, you see homes. Homes, not hotels, homes. So I'm just telling you the story. That's why they say the JLP won all the seats in Westmoreland in the last election. And these are seats I don't think they have ever won. Not as far back as I can remember. Maybe they won one in probably 5 elections, 10 elections. But they won every one in the last election. And the JLP now makes up like 90% of the parliament. But that's just what people say. One of the main reasons for them winning down here is this road. Okay, trying to remember what this area is called. I saw a sign that said Galloway, but I don't think it's Galloway. Alright, if we turn left here now, this would take us back into Westmoreland. Takes us to, what you call it now, a community called Amity and Petersfield. But we'll continue on this road. It takes us to Montego Bay. you can see, it's a very nice road. Government did an excellent job in renovating this road. I wouldn't even say renovating, I would say they built this road, because there was nothing like this on here before. It was like going up a hill, and they literally turned it into, now you see why the people consider this a highway. And this is the Macfield area we're going into now, and that's why they call it the Macfield Main Road. If you guys remember what the road looked like before and you see what it is now, you can leave us a message in the comment section telling us what you think of this road. Okay, we just saw a sign that says Ferris to Macfield. I think that was the name of the project, the Ferris to Macfield Road Improvement Project. Okay, now at this intersection, we turn left, we would go to Montego Bay. If we go straight, we would go to Darlington. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.